Because one of the tests of greatness is your ability to survive frustration. So God will put greatness in isolation, which creates frustration, because you have to be able to survive frustration in order to be eligible to become a leader. Because if you can't handle internal frustration, you sure can't handle external frustration. If frustration on the inside is going to make you quit, what in the world are you going to do when you have frustration on the outside? So when God is getting you ready for frustration on the outside, he lets you deal with a lot of frustration on the inside so that you can learn how to be frustrated and still be faithful, frustrated and still be consistent, frustrated and still be diligent. I'm talking to somebody. I don't know who it is, but I'm talking to somebody this morning.